English Quizmaster.
Welcome to our simple present tense quiz. Read each question carefully and choose the correct answer. She blanked to school every day. The correct answer is B. Goes. She goes to school every day. I blank breakfast at 7 o'clock. The correct answer is A. Eat. I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock. They blank soccer after school. The correct answer is B. Play. They play soccer after school. He blank TV every evening. The correct answer is B. Watches. He watches TV every evening. We blank English at school. The correct answer is A. Study. We study English at school. My mother blanks dinner every night. The correct answer is B. Cooks. My mother cooks dinner every night. The dog blank in the garden. The correct answer is B. Runs. The dog runs in the garden. You blank very fast. The correct answer is A. Run. You run very fast. Tom blank his teeth every morning. The correct answer is B. Brushes. Tom brushes his teeth every morning. The children blank in the park. The correct answer is A. Play. The children play in the park. She blank coffee every morning. The correct answer is B. Drinks. She drinks coffee every morning. I blank my homework after school. The correct answer is A. Do. I do my homework after school. He blank a bicycle to school. The correct answer is B. Rides. He rides a bicycle to school. Birds blank in the sky. The correct answer is B. Fly. Birds fly in the sky. My sister blank music. The correct answer is B. Likes. My sister likes music. We blank lunch at noon. The correct answer is A. Have. We have lunch at noon. The sun blank in the east. The correct answer is B. Rises. The sun rises in the east. Anna blank her room every Saturday. The correct answer is B. Cleans. Anna cleans her room every Saturday. They blank to music every day. The correct answer is A. Listen. They listen to music every day. My father blank to work every morning. The correct answer is B. Drives. My father drives to work every morning.